Key statistics on woman empowerment. Women's participation in the labor force. Globally, women's participation in the labor force has been steadily increasing. According to the International Labour Organization, ILO, in 2020, 47.2% of women aged 15 and above were engaged in the labor force, compared to 74.8% of men. Gender wage gap. The gender wage gap continues to persist in many countries, though the extent varies. According to the World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2020, women, on average, earned 63% of what men earned for similar work worldwide. Women in leadership roles. Women's representation in leadership positions has been improving, but there's still room for progress. As of 2021, only 22.6% of all national parliamentarians were women, according to the Inter-Parliamentary Union. Educational attainment. In recent years, women have achieved significant progress in education. UNESCO data shows that globally, 54% of women aged 25 to 34 had completed at least some tertiary education by 2020, compared to 39% in 2000. Gender-based violence. Gender-based violence remains a significant concern worldwide. According to the United Nations, approximately 35% of women have experienced either physical or sexual violence at some point in their lives. Representation in STEM fields. Women's representation in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM) fields remains lower than men. In many countries, women are underrepresented in STEM-related higher education programs and careers. Entrepreneurship. Women-owned businesses are growing globally. As of 2021, women represented 42% of all business owners in the United States, according to Guidant Financial's 2021 State of Women-Owned Business Report. Legal rights and protections. While progress has been made, legal rights and protections for women still vary widely across countries. In some regions, there are still legal barriers that restrict women's access to education, property ownership, and economic opportunities. Access to financial services. Women often face challenges in accessing financial services, including credit and loans. The World Bank estimates that globally, 42% of women aged 15 and above have an account at a formal financial institution, compared to 47% of men. These statistics highlight both the advancements and the persisting challenges in women's empowerment worldwide. Empowering women economically, politically, and socially is crucial for achieving gender equality and fostering inclusive societies. It is essential to continue working towards breaking down barriers and promoting opportunities that empower women to reach their full potential. I raise up my voice, not so that I can shout, but so that those without a voice can be heard. We cannot all succeed when half of us are held back. Malala Yousafzai, Nobel Peace Prize laureate and education activist. Feminism isn't about making women strong. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives that strength. G.D. Anderson, feminist author. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Teacher G.